In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDT from your Kraken account to your bank account. The steps are simple, and you can follow the same process with any other cryptocurrency as well. For this example, I'm going to use Ethereum to show you the steps, but the process is exactly the same if you want to withdraw USDT. First, open the Kraken app on your phone or computer. Once you're logged in, head over to your portfolio. Here, you'll see all your cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins like USDT, as well as any available cash balances. Now, the first thing you need to do is sell the crypto you want to withdraw. For this example, I'm choosing Ethereum, but remember, you can use USDT or any other crypto in the same way. Select the crypto, click Trade, and then choose Sell for Cash. Enter the amount you want to sell. You can sell all or just a portion depending on your needs, and then confirm the transaction. Once it's completed, your cash balance will update in your portfolio. Next, scroll to the bottom of the app and click on Transfer. Then select Withdraw and choose Cash as the withdrawal type. Now you'll need to select the currency you want to receive, such as USD, EUR, or your local currency. After that, choose the bank account you want to withdraw to. If you already have a linked bank account, select it from the list. If not, click Add New Withdrawal Method. Here, you can select options like SEPA, SEPA Instant, or other supported withdrawal methods. Enter your bank account IBAN and add a nickname for easy reference. Make sure the name on your bank account matches the name on your Kraken account to avoid any issues with processing. Once your bank account is linked, select it and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check that everything is correct, then tap Withdraw. Your withdrawal will now be initiated. You can see it under activity marked as Pending. The processing time depends on your bank and the method you chose, so it may take a little while for the funds to appear in your account. And that's it. Your USDT or other crypto is now on its way to your bank account. This is the same process you can use anytime you want to withdraw crypto from Kraken, whether it's USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported coin. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.